Presented to you by grumpyfoot.com. We're thrilled to show you the Boxing Buddy, an innovative sparring partner that will revolutionize your boxing training experience. Say goodbye to the limitations of traditional punching bags, and let's dive into the incredible features of this groundbreaking device. The Boxing Buddy consists of two padded robotic arms that can be attached to various sturdy vertical objects, from punching bags to trees. Its adjustable height makes it suitable for users of all sizes, and when set lower, it can even simulate kicks. Now let's explore the unique training modes that truly set the Boxing Buddy apart. Boxing Buddy offers 3 distinct training modes to sharpen your skills. The random sparring mode provides a realistic simulation, mixing up punches, speeds, and frequencies. The custom mode lets you tailor your training by selecting specific punches, speeds, and frequencies, while the coach mode allows your coach to remotely control the action, helping you concentrate on honing your skills. Designed to adapt to your needs, Boxing Buddy features 4 different difficulty levels for a challenging and engaging sparring experience. The lightweight design and adjustable foam arms ensure easy portability and setup, allowing you to train virtually anywhere. To further enhance your training sessions, Boxing Buddy's cutting-edge smart app connects to your smartphone via Bluetooth. This user-friendly app grants you control over arm movements, progress tracking, and real-time feedback, optimizing your workouts to their full potential. Crafted from high-quality materials, Boxing Buddy is both durable and built to endure. The foam arms are engineered for safe and comfortable striking, significantly reducing the risk of injury. The device's design enables seamless assembly, disassembly, and storage, making it an invaluable addition to diverse training environments. Incorporating Boxing Buddy into your training regimen leads to significant improvements in agility, footwork, hand-eye coordination, cardiovascular fitness, and strength. It's a versatile and cost-effective solution for those seeking a highly efficient and personalized boxing workout experience. Thank you for joining us today. If you're ready to revolutionize your boxing training, the Boxing Buddy is the ultimate sparring partner for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting and informative videos. Until next time, happy training. Presented to you by grumpyfoot.com.